You're driven by ambition, by intention, by motivation. A Marymount education isn't just learning, it's learning with purpose. It's about discovering your why and building a life of meaning, rooted in the Catholic values of the religious of the Sacred Heart of Mary. We empower you to grow, to be bold, to be curious, to go further. Whether you're designing for the runway, launching research breakthroughs, healing, teaching, or leading, we see you. And we support your journey where potential meets purpose in the capital of opportunity, just minutes from Washington, D.C. Your classroom extends into global nonprofits, tech startups, and federal agencies. You learn from mentors who know your name, with peers who challenge and lift you up, in a community that values your whole self. Because here, learning isn't just for a degree, it's for the difference you'll make. You'll grow in curiosity, compassion, and global vision. You belong here. Learn with purpose at Marymount University.